Sorry folks, we're having some bad problems with the phone right now, so this is going to be part 2 of box opening 1. We left off where I mentioned Crystal Drift Sliff, so this is the 9th pack here. Let's see what else we get. Guardian Angel Galaxia, Princess of Blades, Symphony Songsmith, 1st edition. She's a uncommon. Sorry, I'm having a hard time mentioning these. A Parathian Grove, Symmetry card, rare. That's another good pull. Alright, 10th pack here. See what we get. Nothing was as big as that Alana though. I'm glad I got that. Euphoria's Reach, Needlelap Frozen Spear, Vine Branch Seraph, and Area Wielder of Shards. Ooh, and a rare energy. Wow. That's the different color energy that's out right now with Galaxy Tides, and we managed to pull one. Alright, 11th pack here. See what we get. Galaxy Gazer, Planetside Remnant. Ooh, Thunder Coil Dragon. I love that card. I love the artwork on that card. I just wanted it so bad. Concerto Virtuoso. Oh, and another Alana, the Star Formation. Wow, we got 2 Alanas. Same box. Wow. I don't think nothing could get as good as that. That's just the best box we had. Alright. First box, too. This is our last pack for Booster Box 1. Ganseal, Emissary of Stars, Portalback Dragon, Star Spear Oak, Vendetta Plateau, and Dimensional Desperado. She is the angel you get in one of the starter decks. Wow. Alright, that was a good pull. Stay tuned for box number 2 of Galaxy Tides. Here's all the rares we got so far. We got a lot of good pulls on this one. Wow. This was the best box by far I had. But I don't know how good the next one will be, just because this is my first box opening too. So this is amazing. I think it went pretty good. I couldn't ask for a better box. Alright folks, stay tuned for box opening number 2. Might be a little bit later on tonight. We're having camera troubles. Take care everyone, and don't forget to like and subscribe.